What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this inflatable bathing tub. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this thing, including one thing you should know before buying. So guys, we just used this tub. My wife and our toddler, we visited California, and we wanted to kind of test this out. I know that it comes with different things with this, but it doesn't have a plastic bag necessarily when you open it. Just know that it's better organized. But this is the actual tub itself, and it really does a great job. It really does. I mean, our biggest thing was, we're in the hotel. We don't necessarily want to put our kid on the floor of the bathtub for obvious reasons. Those can probably be pretty filthy. But this tub does a great job, and it really does help the child when they're taking their bath. So a few things to it. So right here, all these different things inflate, right? It all inflates to become a tub like this, and it all inflates up. And there is the drain. Right here will inflate to basically a big ball that they can kind of, they rest their legs here, sit it here, and then they're basically sitting that way on it. This is a nice backrest. There is two areas to inflate it, right there and there. Like I said, the drainage right there. But yeah, we didn't have any issues, and they also have this back here just to keep it stable. And then that will fill up the middle thing that I talked about. But yeah, it stays in place. You don't have to worry about it not staying in place. It does a really good job of staying in place. And the pump itself is definitely a necessity. You cannot blow these up with your lungs. I tried. You can't do that. But yeah, it is a really good product for its exact purpose. Does a really good job. So in terms of the thing to know about it, you guys, so there are two pieces that you have to have. This right here, which is just a pump. You just go up and down, you can pump it. And then this right here, right? This side goes into the holes here. So that side goes into there. Okay, that goes into there. Instructions aren't that good at it, but know that that goes into there. This right here, you will put the pump into right here on this edge right here, this part, this hole. Okay, when you're pumping it, you hold these two little holes to make sure air doesn't escape, and you pump it all the way full. It is also much easier when you need to deflate this thing to plug this part in and then let the air escape out of the back, okay? Don't lose that red piece. Very important. Without that, this is almost unusable. It's almost impossible to inflate, right? You can't just do it with it. I mean, you could probably, but it'll take you way longer. I would say all in all, it's a small pump. It took me probably a good 10 minutes to get this thing all the way pumped up. I was also sweaty. It was difficult in that regard, but it did a great job in that it kept our child, free of all the germs and everything that we were kind of worried about. So it is a good product. Just know that if you are getting it, these are vital, and they do come with it. They are vital to keep and hold on to, because you will absolutely need them. Unless you have some other type of pump, you'll absolutely need those, and they're definitely worth it. So yeah, overall, good product. Just know that that's one thing, is pumping it up is a pain. But obviously, you're probably not going to be using it all the time. I know we won't. But yeah, so just know that. But otherwise, it is a good product, and I definitely do recommend it.